Hey everyone, my name is Rahul and I welcome you to this amazing program of cloud computing. If you want to become a cloud computing expert and want to create your career in IT industry or want to work as a freelancer, this course is going to help you understand each and every important details to build a career as a cloud computing expert. So I am Google, Microsoft and AWS certified cloud expert, and I'm going to help you understand each and every important minute details through which you can create your career as a cloud computing expert. I will also help you to crack the examinations of the professional cloud certification exams the way I am having all these examinations certified. So who can join this course? If you are a person who is looking forward to have a career in cloud computing area, this is the best course to join for you. If you're someone who is already an IT professional and want to create your career in IT industry, or you want to upgrade your career to IT industry, you can join this course. The people who are already software developers or system administrators who want to switch their career to cloud computing, you can join this program to understand what are the practical aspects in the cloud computing area. There are people who are already the IT managers or executives who want to monitor the infrastructure in the organization, how the cloud infrastructure is working in your organization. You can also look forward to join this program. Now, next question in which we're going to talk about what are the important curriculum what we're going to cover in this cloud computing course. So curriculum, we always talk about the introduction, which includes the AWS and all the important topics of AWS with the hands-on skills. And after that, we talk about the identity and access management in AWS. On top of it, there is an important concept called as virtualization, in which you also learn how the Amazon EC2 is being set up and how you can also do the networking with the AWS services. After that, you also work on the load balancing, auto scaling, routing with the AWS with various routes like 53. Also, you learn the AWS database services, which includes the NoSQL, RDS, as well as the Redshift. And on top of it, you also learn the security management in the AWS platform. While learning the monitoring and the resource and governance in AWS, you learn a lot of different kind of tools, which includes the license managers, control towers, system manager as well. And at the same time, you able to understand the application services, which are the serverless computing and provisioning infrastructure as well. You also get an opportunity to work on the cloud analytics and cost management on the AWS part, which help you understand the architectural design. At the same time, it also help you migrating to the cloud or migrating from the cloud. So that is what something which you learn as well. Containers is a new concept which in AWS is getting a lot of popularity. You will able to get the hands-on practice on that. A few modules in the machine learning will be part of it, and then comes the important section of the project development. So when we talk about projects, you will be working on the multiple live projects, in which one will be the e-commerce project, so that you can understand how the e-commerce like Amazon and different platforms are hosted in the cloud. At the same time, you will get an opportunity to work on the e-learning platform, which is equivalent, for example, to the Byju's kind of platforms. You'll be able to understand how it is hosted. We also give you understanding on how the mobile applications are hosted on the cloud platform, and that is the third project you will be doing the hands-on while working with us. In this question, we're going to talk about what are the career opportunities if you learn cloud computing, and what are the options you can explore into IT industry. So first and foremost is definitely as a cloud developer, you can enter into this industry. There is one more position called as cloud architect. That's the reason number of certification programs are there into the industry that you can go for, and you can look forward to join into IT industry. There are a few more positions which are called as the specialist into the security or IAM policies. Where are some people who does that into IT industry. At the same time, you can also become if you specialize into the machine learning area, you can also become the machine learning engineer or the consultant. That's another career opportunity you avail when you complete this certification program. So we receive a lot of question, is this program for beginners? So my answer will be yes. So this program is designed in such a way, so if you have no knowledge into the cloud computing, but you are eager to learn and you have basics into the IT industry, you can start learning with this program. This program is going to help you understand from beginner level to the advanced level how the processes and how the practices are work into the cloud computing area. Another question what we receive is like, can the experienced people who are already working professionally into the IT industry, can they join this? Yes, so if you are a manager or you are someone who is looking to switch your career to the cloud computing area, you can also look forward to join this program, because you're going to learn how the cloud computing hands-on is working into the area and how different industries, different domains are utilizing the cloud nowadays. So what does the training includes for me? So training always comes with 4 important benefits for yourself, out of which one benefit is lifetime access of the course which is available. So you get access to our e-learning portal, and with that you have lifetime access, which is keep on improving, and number of videos are keep on updating based on the new updates which come to the cloud world. So that is the first part. Second part is this always comes with the hands-on project. So that's the reason, as we are the company based training, and you able to get opportunity, learn by doing, and that's what help you while working on number of projects, and that is the another most important unique selling point for this particular program. There are 2 more things, which is one is called as, once you complete the training program, you also get the certification, which holds a really great value when you're applying for the jobs or when you are looking forward to switch career to cloud computing area. And third part is which is called as 100% job placement assistance. So in this program, during the completion of the program, we also help you how you can apply for the job into the same area, how the resume is to be built up, which help you crack the shortlisting round. At the same time, we also help you with the technical interview questions, what to talk about with cloud computing, how you going to explain the projects, and that's how we help you get into the right place which you aim for when you are starting the program. So don't miss out the opportunity to upskill yourself and start your career into IT industry. We are waiting for you. Hit on the website, go to talentsparallel.com and go to the program information. You can sign up for the program, and then you can start your learning journey. If you have more questions, you can put on the questions on the comment box. I'll be able to help you and answer the question. At the same time, subscribe to our channel so that you can get more and more learning free of cost, and hit the bell icon as well.